Available four-wheel drive allows you to safely tackle different terrain and conditions with your vehicle. If your vehicle is equipped with four-wheel drive, there are a few things you should know before driving off-road. Depending on your vehicle, four-wheel drive options include auto, 2-high, 4-high, and 4-low. Shift to the right four-wheel drive option for your conditions by selecting the button or dial position indicating that mode. You can shift between auto, 2-high, and 4-high at normal driving speeds. A message display on the Driver Information Center will indicate the shift has been made. To shift to 4-low, your vehicle must be in neutral with the ignition on. When stopped or moving at less than 3 miles per hour, request the shift by selecting 4-low. A symbol will flash on the DIC when you request the shift and stop flashing once it's been made. If you aren't in neutral or you're moving too fast, a message will tell you that the shift wasn't made. This mode should not be used at speeds over 45 miles per hour and is not designed for use on dry surfaces or roads with good traction. It's important to shift out of 4-low as soon as road conditions improve. Auto is used when conditions are varied, like driving on a mix of pavement and gravel. Auto will deliver power to the axles as needed to maintain grip and control. Using auto may slightly reduce fuel efficiency when compared to 2-high. 2-high is for everyday highway driving on pavement. Power is delivered to the rear axle only and provides the best fuel economy. 4-high is used when extra traction is needed on snowy or icy roads, when off-roading, or when plowing snow. Both front and rear axles deliver power at all times in this mode. Tires and the powertrain may wear more quickly, so be sure to use 4-high only when it's needed. 4-high is not designed to be used on dry surfaces or roads with good traction, so it is important to shift out of this mode as soon as road conditions improve. 4-low is used when driving in difficult off-road conditions like deep sand, deep snow, deep mud, or steep climbs and descents. Torque is increased and power is delivered to all 4 wheels. Speed is reduced. When the hard work is done, you can put your 4-wheel drive selector back to a more suitable mode. If you are shifting out of 4-low, bring your vehicle to a stop, shift to neutral, and select either 4-high, auto, or 2-high. The shift will be requested after you press the selector, and a 4x4 symbol will flash on the DIC until the shift has been made. This shift can only be made when your vehicle is traveling under 3 miles per hour, but it's best at 1 to 2 miles per hour. To shift out of 4-high, 2-high, or auto, select the desired mode when stopped or at normal driving speeds. A 4x4 symbol on the DIC will stop flashing once the shift has been made. Make the most of your 4-wheel drive vehicle by using the right mode for the right conditions.